Not many people know what the purpose of a toner is. I used to be one of those people. I would watch my older cousins go about their skincare routine, noticing that this was one of the products they used. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, where I aim to bring you videos on minimalism, sustainability, self-care and self-development. Toner generally has the following benefits. It closes large pores. It's helpful for those with excessively oily or acne-prone skin. It helps balance the pH of the skin, and it helps remove any lost traces of dirt, grime, and impurities. However, a lot of artificial toners cause more damage than good. So here are a few DIY techniques you can use. Did you know that the brew can also be used as a natural toner? The antioxidant and antibacterial properties of green tea can help with sun damage and acne. Apple cider vinegar is not only known to help with acne, but also with blemishes and scars. Using 50 ml of apple cider vinegar and 150 ml of water, ideally making your own distilled water, use this on the skin to improve the texture while balancing pH levels. Regular use of rose water may help reduce the appearance of fine lines. It can also improve the tone and complexion of your skin, and its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. I hope this video was useful, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to check out my full channel on more DIY skincare remedies. Until next time, be the change you want to see.